Well, today we're going to talk about. The first of all, I decided to make. I have an idea in my mind that I make a video by a week and talking about one topic by English. And today we're going to talk about one of the most concerned issue from all over the world by the 2019 and until now. As you may know that we every day when go to our office, we still wearing the face mask. And as you guess, what I am talking about is that the coronavirus, the world still looking for the vaccination, still looking for the vaccine. And so what's up? By about last month, we heard news nice news from Russia that they already find the new method find a new vaccine that can debate that can fighting with this kind of coronavirus. So today we are not going to talk about the coronavirus. We are talking about the vaccine and how the and talking about the history of vaccine. And as you guessed that the person who invented the vaccine is the guy named Pasteur. Pasteur was one of the greatest scientists of all time. He made very important discovery in biology and chemistry. And his technique, the techniques he's developed have the greatness to develop medical science, agriculture, and food industries. And you may know that he was born in a small town in France during the year 1822. He studied science at a university in the city of Paris. He soon did some excellent work in chemistry and later began his famous study of germs. Pasteur also was one of the first scientists to understand that many diseases could be caused by extremely small invisible organisms. His research confirmed the idea that developed by other scientists that a living organism would not appear unless other individuals of its kinds were present. One of the past and most contribution was a technique that has been named after him, pasteurization. Pasteurization kills the germ that we found in drinks such as milk or beer. And because of Pasteur technique, people are no longer infected with the disease that causes disease. And by the use of this technique, people can prevent the the, 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 the this kind of disease by drinking the liquid. Just as important as pasteurization was a technique called immunization, Pasteur found that a person or an animal could be made safe or immune from the disease by injecting the person with some weakened germs that cause the disease, and the body can resist the disease after being immunized in this way. Today, many diseases are prevented by the use of this technique. Past discoveries also have to save people who had already infected with the disease. One such disease, as you may know, is that of rabies. Rabies sometimes occurs in animal, and as you may know that the dog or the cat, maybe white animal have this kind of virus when they biting them when they biting the person or animal, they will contaminate this kind of virus to our body. And and of course when this kind of virus have um, when the animal have this kind of virus, they would die, but before dying they may spread the disease by biting another animal or another person. Well, when we talk about the history, that the one day the parents of the young boy came to Pasteur and asked for his help because their son had been bitten by a dog that had the rabies disease, and they know that their son would die unless something could be done to save him. So Pasteur agreed to help the boy, and the immunization technique saved the boy's life. Pasteur died in 1895, and he was still greatly admired around the world for his achievements, for which has helped all of humankind. Pasteur is considered to be greatest figure in the history of medicine. Okay, that's it. Today's topic, we are talking about the history of medicine. Uh, not really history of medicine. Talking about the history of vaccination. Talking about the immunization technique, the one care method that had been named after Pasteur, pasteurization, and we know a little bit knowledge about the rabies disease. That kind of disease is very dangerous, right? So that's it. That we should say thank you for him. Thanks for him because he invented this kind of method. Is keep our planet, it keep our world safe with the virus. A lot of plenty of virus around me, around you and me, right? Okay, that is the topic for today. See you later.